next job is with ModSquad. The company's name is ModSquad, and the job role for this company would be a remote Spotify chat support specialist. You can either speak Turkish, English for this role. It's a part-time position, and it's remote. Now, Indeed is going by its salary that they've gotten off their site, giving the estimation of what this company may be paying per year, 35,000 to 44,000. And the full job description of this company, ModSquad, has partnered with Spotify, and we need the best of the best in customer support. Do you have a chat messaging customer support background? Do you enjoy work from home and flexible schedules? Apply to this exciting opportunity today, you guys. This project is gaining and growing again, and looking for music lovers that want to join our label. We are looking for mod squads that are passionate about providing world-class support in an enjoyable online environment. This is an established and long-term project with an incredible strong internal support system and a highly interactive orientation program. In this project, mods will handle customer support messaging in both Turkish and English. Commitment 25 hours per week. 8 of those 25 hours are required on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. It says 90 days. Qualified applicants will need to have language assessments in Turkish and English to ensure adequate proficiency. Orientation specifics all times Pacific. So it's going by Pacific Standard Time. The schedule, you guys, for ModSquad is a remote Spotify chat support specialist. It begins November the 1st, 2022. Orientation 3 days, 5 a.m. through 2 p.m. Nesting time for the nesting stage is 15 days. It will be 5 a.m. to 2 o'clock p.m. And the hours of operation daily is 12 o'clock a.m. midnight and 12 a.m. midnight 24/7. At least 8 hours are required on the weekend, Saturday or and Sunday. What we are looking for: professional Turkish and English proficiency, ability to quickly identify any and all issues the customer may have, maintain high engagement with both the project and customers, someone who wants to help the customer, not just move to the next one. People driven to do more for the customer and exercise good judgment in their favor when the opportunity presents itself. Now, a pro tip: take your time and make sure you do a thorough job in completing your application. Your responses should be grammatically correct and comprehensive. This will greatly increase the probability of scoring an interview. Now, please note, a Chromebook is not sufficient for ModSquad projects. ModSquad is an equal opportunity employer. All qualified applicants will receive consideration for employment without regard to race, color, religion, sex, including pregnancy, gender, national origin, ancestry, age, physical or mental disability, military status as a veteran or disabled veteran, sexual orientation, gender identity, or expression, marital or family status, genetic information, medical condition, or any other basis protected by applicable federal, state, or local law, ordinance, or regulation. Pay rates vary by client and are not negotiable. Rates will be disclosed during the interview process. Yes, this post was posted 30 days ago, but they are still hiring for this job. They are still hiring for this position. It's ongoing hiring process. You guys jump on it. Go ahead and get your feet in the door and just go ahead and just apply, because you never know what they're expecting of you. They already have some guidelines on here. What I mean by that is that you never know until you apply. Um, let's go ahead and apply. Keep that train on the track. Get motivated. Come on, guys. Get motivated. Stay motivated. Go. Stay motivated. Stay motivated. Okay, now go ahead and get a piece of that work pad. Go ahead and apply, you guys. I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And turn on that notification bell and share this video to whoever you think that would like a chat support job. It's a non-phone job. It's a perfect job for anyone who doesn't like to talk on the phones. So go ahead and apply or share the video. I will see you guys on the next video. I will see you guys back on the next video. Stay motivated. Bye.